Fox News alert now. Over 64,000 coronavirus cases now confirmed all around the world. China revealing more than 1,700 of its medical workers have been infected with that disease. There are also new developments this morning involving that quarantine cruise ship that's docked off the coast of Japan. Following it all for us is Benjamin Hall. He is live in London with the global reaction. Good morning, Benjamin.
Good morning, Ed. And yes, finally, some good news for all those people on board that cruise ship, the Diamond Princess. Among them, over 400 Americans. They have been quarantined for 11 days, and that is at the end of a 14-day cruise. Well, now, finally, a few dozen of the older passengers are going to be allowed to disembark. In China, however, the virus is still spreading. Over 5,000 new cases, 121 new deaths in the past 24 hours alone, and that on the back of yesterday's huge spike of 15,000 new cases. China also disclosing, as you pointed out on Friday, that over 1,700 medical workers had contracted the virus and 6 of them had died. The US is now also concerned about North Korea. Although the North insists it has no cases, South Korean news reports now say there have been deaths in the country. And frankly, with such a dysfunctional public health system, the fear is that this could decimate the Hermit Kingdom. The State Department has also said it will not stand in the way of aid going to North Korea to fight this virus. And still, we are getting criticism coming out of China's response. One Chinese doctor writing a very rare critical letter of the government saying they failed to sound a public warning, even though scientists were aware of human-to-human transmission, adding that 5 million people were allowed to leave Wuhan, the epicenter, despite consistent warnings from Chinese scientists. And what we've seen China do today is come out with their health commission and try and ease the nerves of the international community. They've said this is not spreading like wildfire outside of China. 99% of cases are in China. Nevertheless, countries around the world taking no chances, and in the US in particular, the CDC making sure that it has all eventualities in place, saying they're preparing for it to take a foothold there and that it is likely to spread. And they are all over this. Ed?
All right, Benjamin Hall, we appreciate that update.